Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manipulate shapes and lines in Canva. Whether you're designing social media graphics, logos, presentations, or just experimenting with design, these simple tools can make a huge difference in how polished your projects look. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add shapes, customize lines, change colors, adjust transparency, and even add animations inside Canva. So let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser or app and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button in the top corner. For this tutorial, choose Custom Size and set both the width and height to 1000 pixels, then click Create New Design. Now you'll see a blank canvas ready to work with. Next, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores all of its graphics, icons, shapes, and lines. Scroll until you find the Shapes and Lines section, then add a few basic elements to your canvas, like a rectangle, a circle, and a straight line. You can resize any element by dragging the corners and move them around by clicking and dragging. If you want to select multiple elements together, simply drag your cursor across them or press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. Now let's start customizing. Click on any shape and you'll see a color option appear in the top toolbar. Select the color box to open Canvas palette, where you can choose preset colors or enter your own custom hex code. Changing colors is one of the easiest ways to match your design to a brand or style. Next, click on a line element. Canva gives you extra controls for lines, including thickness, dashed styles, dotted styles, and arrowheads. These settings are really useful for presentations, infographics, or decorative layouts. For shapes like rectangles, you can also round the corners using the small white handles that appear inside the shape. Rounded corners create a softer, modern look, while sharp corners feel cleaner and more structured. Another useful feature is layering. You can place shapes on top of each other and use the position option to move elements forward or backward. This helps create more depth in your design. You can also adjust transparency by selecting an element and clicking the transparency icon in the toolbar. Lowering transparency can help blend objects into the background or create softer visual effects. And if you want your designs to feel more dynamic, try animations. Select any shape or line and click the Animate button at the top. Canva includes simple effects like fade, pop, and rise that work great for social media stories and presentations. The best part about Canva is that everything is easy to experiment with. If something doesn't look right, just undo it and keep testing different ideas until you find a style you like. And that's it. Now you know the basics of manipulating shapes and lines in Canva to create cleaner and more professional-looking designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva tips, and leave a comment below if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.